After considerable time, Slovenia's representative at this year's Eurovision Song Contest, Tinkara Kovač, brought excitement to her native country and abroad by qualifying for the Eurovision final in Danish capital Copenhagen. In addition to an excellent performance, Tinkara also made a great impression in Denmark with a comprehensive presentation of her homeland, which she prepared in cooperation with Invest to Slovenia, the Pan-Slovenian Shareholders Association, VZMD, and the Slovenian Embassy in Denmark.
Embassy should be embracing, should I say, all the interests of Slovenia here, not only the political. The most prominent are the business interests. So when I was told that the Slovenian Eurovision song team is coming, I immediately sat down with my team at the embassy, and we have decided to organize this event, kind of a networking, and to, should I say, extract the best energy out of it.
We are delighted to have the privilege to be a part of this, let's say, a team who is visiting Copenhagen due to the very special event of Eurovision. And we have used this opportunity also to have some chat and talks with the businessmen to see how they like our wines, and hopefully we will find a distributor and importer for our wines in Denmark as well.
In addition to intensive Eurovision events, the Slovenian Business Day took place in Copenhagen, and it included a formal reception at the residence of the Slovenian ambassador in Denmark and the Slovenian Evening in the renowned Eurovision VIP Club. More than 500 visitors at the Slovenian Evening enjoyed Tinkara's live concert while feasting on culinary delicacies made by some Slovenian food producers. The a cappella performance of Tinkara's Eurovision song undoubtedly represented the peak of the evening, and it proved the undisputed quality of our representatives.
Feel the pride, can you believe it? Round and round again we, round and round again we go. Round and round again we, round and round again we go.
The Slovenian Evening made an excellent impact, since numerous Danish and foreign visitors came to the Eurovision semi-final in the following days, wearing clothes in the colors of the Slovenian flag. VZMD has been extremely pleased when realizing that the implementation of the Slovenian Business Day was more than welcome, and that the results are positive from different viewpoints. After a successful conclusion of the activities accompanying this year's Eurovision, VZMD and its business investment program, Invest to Slovenia, are planning to intensify their activities, and together with some distinguished domestic and international partners, they are going to be actively present at numerous notable meetings, events and conferences on 5 continents in 2014. The VZMD president, Mr. Christian Verbič, departed from Copenhagen for Iran, where he was participating in the Slovenian business delegation accompanying the official visit of the president of the Slovenian National Assembly in Tehran and Isfahan. VZMD invites all who would like to take part in their events and activities to contact the VZMD Investo.si program coordinator by telephone at +386 31 770 771 or email info@investo.si.
Srce tisto, ki ne bo več isto, kar je bilo, vse kar